Looking for the best USB-C hub docking station to expand your laptop's connectivity? Laptop computer, with modern laptops offering fewer ports, a reliable USB-C hub is now a must-have. Backhand index pointing right. In this video, we'll show you the top 5 best USB-C hub docking stations, selected for speed, display support, charging power, and build quality. Globe showing Europe, Africa, perfect for MacBooks, Windows laptops, tablets, and USB-C devices worldwide. High voltage, whether you need 4K display, fast data transfer, or power delivery, we've got you covered. White heavy checkmark, watch till the end to find the best value docking station for your setup. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let's get started. At number 5. UGREEN 12-in-1 USB-C hub docking station. Type-C to dual HDMI 4K at 120Hz, DisplayPort, USB 3.2 10 gigabits per second SD/TF RJ45 PD 100W. For MacBook, Dell, HP, and USB-C laptops. The UGREEN 12-in-1 USB-C hub is a high-performance docking station designed for professionals, creators, gamers, and multitaskers who need maximum connectivity from a single USB-C port. Supporting dual HDMI 4K at 120Hz output, DisplayPort, ultra-fast USB 3.2, and 100W power delivery, this hub transforms your laptop into a full desktop workstation. Small blue diamond key features. 12-in-1 expansion hub. Expand one USB-C port into 12 powerful interfaces for work, entertainment, and productivity. Dual HDMI output, up to 4K at 120Hz. Enjoy ultra-smooth visuals for gaming, video editing, and multi-monitor setups. Resolution depends on device and system support. DisplayPort video output. Supports high-resolution external displays for professional workflows. USB 3.2 high-speed data ports, 10 gigabits per second. Ultra-fast file transfers for SSDs, hard drives, and peripherals. SD/TF card reader. Quick access to photos and videos for creators and photographers. Gigabit Ethernet, RJ45. Stable and fast wired internet connection for work and streaming. 100W power delivery, PD charging. Charge your laptop safely while using all hub functions. Power output to laptop typically up to 96W. Premium UGREEN build quality. Durable aluminum alloy housing with efficient heat dissipation. Check the latest price and compatibility for your laptop using the link below. At number 4. UGREEN USB-C hub docking station. 4K at 60Hz HDMI, Gigabit RJ45, PD 100W SD/TF, USB 3.05 gigabits per second. For MacBook, Windows laptops, and USB-C devices. The UGREEN USB-C hub is a compact and powerful docking solution that expands a single USB-C port into essential connections for work, study, and entertainment. With 4K at 60Hz HDMI output, Gigabit Ethernet, fast USB 3.0 ports, and 100W power delivery, this hub turns your laptop into a versatile workstation at home or on the go. Small blue diamond key features. All-in-one USB-C expansion. Instantly adds video, data, network, card reader, and charging ports. 4K at 60Hz HDMI output. Crystal clear video for external monitors, TVs, and projectors. Gigabit Ethernet, RJ45. Stable, high-speed wired internet, perfect for remote work and streaming. USB 3.0 high-speed data, 5 gigabits per second. Fast file transfers for USB drives, SSDs, keyboards, and mice. SD and TF card reader. Easy access to photos and videos for creators and photographers. 100W power delivery, PD charging. Charge your laptop while using all hub functions. Actual charging power depends on device and charger. Premium UGREEN build quality. Durable aluminum alloy housing with efficient heat dissipation. At number 3. UGREEN UNO USB-C hub 6-in-1 docking station. 4K at 60Hz HDMI, PD 100W, USB 3.2 10 gigabits per second, compact USB-C splitter. For MacBook Pro/Air and USB-C laptops. The UGREEN UNO 6-in-1 USB-C hub is a sleek, high-speed docking solution designed to expand your laptop's connectivity with powerful performance in a compact form. With 4K at 60Hz video output, 10 gigabits per second USB 3.2 data transfer, and 100W power delivery. This hub is ideal for professionals, creators, and everyday users who need reliable expansion at home, office, or on the go. Small blue diamond key features. 6-in-1 USB-C expansion. Turn one USB-C port into HDMI, USB data ports, and fast charging connections. 4K at 60 Hz HDMI output. Crisp, smooth visuals for external monitors, TVs, and projectors, perfect for work and entertainment. USB 3.2 high-speed ports, 10 gigabits per second. Ultra-fast data transfer for SSDs, flash drives, and other peripherals. 100W power delivery charging. Charge your laptop while using all hub functions. Actual output to laptop typically up to 96W. Compact and travel-friendly design. Lightweight, slim profile, easy to carry in your laptop bag. Premium UGREEN build quality. Durable aluminum alloy housing with excellent heat dissipation. At number 2, UGREEN Uno USB-C Hub 6-in-1 docking station. 4K at 60 Hz HDMI, PD 100W, USB 3.2 10 gigabits per second, compact USB-C splitter. Compatible with MacBook Pro/Air and USB-C laptops. The UGREEN Uno 6-in-1 USB-C hub is a compact high-performance docking station designed to instantly expand your laptop's connectivity. Featuring 4K at 60 Hz HDMI output, ultra-fast USB 3.2 data transfer, and 100W power delivery, this hub is perfect for professionals, creators, students, and everyday users who need reliable expansion at home, in the office, or while traveling. Small blue diamond key features. 6-in-1 USB-C expansion. Transform a single USB-C port into HDMI display output, high-speed USB data ports, and fast laptop charging, all in one compact hub. 4K at 60 Hz HDMI output. Enjoy crystal clear, smooth visuals on external monitors, TVs, and projectors, ideal for presentations, streaming, editing, and multitasking. USB 3.2 high-speed ports, 10 gigabits per second. Experience ultra-fast file transfers, perfect for external SSDs, flash drives, keyboards, mice, and other peripherals. 100W power delivery charging. Charge your laptop while using all hub functions simultaneously. Actual power delivered to the laptop is typically up to 96W depending on device. Compact and travel-friendly design. Slim, lightweight, and portable, easily fits into your laptop bag or backpack. Premium UGREEN build quality. Durable aluminum alloy housing with excellent heat dissipation for long-term reliability. At number 1. Vention 5-in-1 USB-C hub docking station. 4K HDMI USB 3.0 PD 100W multiport USB-C adapter. For MacBook, Dell, iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. The Vention 5-in-1 USB-C hub is a compact and powerful multiport docking station designed to expand a single USB-C port into essential connections for work, entertainment, and mobile productivity. With 4K HDMI output, high-speed USB 3.0 data transfer, and 100W power delivery charging, this hub is an ideal everyday companion for laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Small blue diamond key features. 5-in-1 USB-C expansion. Instantly adds HDMI display output, USB data ports, and fast charging through one USB-C connection. 4K at 60 Hz HDMI output. Enjoy sharp, smooth visuals on external monitors, TVs, and projectors, perfect for presentations, streaming, and multitasking. Resolution depends on device support. High-speed USB 3.0 ports. Transfer data at up to 5 gigabits per second, ideal for flash drives, external storage, keyboards, and mice. 100W power delivery, PD charging. Charge your laptop or tablet while using all hub functions simultaneously. Actual power to device typically up to 96W. Wide device compatibility. Works seamlessly with MacBook/MacBook Pro/MacBook Air, Dell, HP, Lenovo USB-C laptops, iPad Pro/iPad Air, iPhone, USB-C models, Android phones and tablets with USB-C. Compact and durable design. Lightweight aluminum alloy body with efficient heat dissipation, perfect for travel and daily use.